Welcome to Rewired. In this video, we are going to look into a very powerful tool which, if used rightly, has the potential to bring impact and change a person's life to a great extent. So before moving forward, what is that one skill which us humans possess and have the power to use it and direct it to achieve certain objective? It's communication. According to Wikipedia, communication is the act of conveying meanings from one entity or a group to another through the use of mutually understood signs, symbols, and semiotic rules. First history of communication can be traced back to 500,000 BCE and the use of symbols to communicate around 30,000 years BCE. So, communication has been a major part of our life since many years and thus plays a major role. Let us briefly look into the types of communication. There are basically 4 types of communications: verbal communication, non-verbal communication, written communication, and visual communications. Verbal communication: use of sounds and words to express yourself. Non-verbal communication: the transmission of message or signal through non-verbal platform. These include body language, facial expressions, tone and pitch of voice, gestures, etc. Written communications: these includes letters, circulars, reports, telegrams, etc. Visual communication basically means graphically representing information like infographics, motion graphics, graphs, etc. So, combination of all these types of communication has the power to deliver information to a person or a group with maximum impact. Advertisement, marketing, etc. are a result of this concept. The advertising industry has shifted to using combination of verbal, non-verbal, written and visual communication for advertisement, as seen in the spike of revenue in television advertisements. The major player making use of this concept to its full potential is media. Media are the communication outlets or tools used to store and deliver information or data. In today's digital world, we are surrounded by advertisements feeding us information constantly, brainwashing us with the information which they want to, all possible due to media. The 4 major types of media are print media, broadcast, outdoor or out of home, and internet. Print media includes newspapers, magazines, business publications, etc. Broadcast media includes televisions, radio, FMs, etc. Outdoor or out of home consists of billboards, boardings, neon signs. And internet consists of websites, ad buttons, sponsorships, ad banners, etc. From this, to this, a smartphone, technology has changed a lot. As a result of recent revolutions in telecommunication, electronic media is a fast emerging field equipped with a greater power than the conventional methods. Many of you are probably watching this video on your smartphones. Do you know India is second largest market globally for smartphones after China? About 134 million smartphones were sold across India in 2017 and expected to increase to 442 million by 2022. India is ranked second in average time spent on mobile web by smartphone users across Asia Pacific. All possible due to combination of very high sales volume and consumer behavior, making India a very attractive market. By advancements in IoT, that is Internet of Things, the number of connected devices per person has increased from 0.08 in 2003 to an average of 6.58 in 2020 and is expected to increase furthermore. The number of connected devices per person will be higher than expected as many more new consumers have emerged during the corona phase. The effect of this can be explained by some facts. People are spending much less time in front of a TV. They are watching more YouTube than ever before. YouTube ads receive viewer attention 83% of the time, while TV ads get only 45%. Mobile searches have grown 80% in the past 2 years. In a span of 1 year, the number of devices with ad blockers rose from 142 million to 615 million, thus giving more importance to quality advertisements. 88% consumers search for local business online, either call or visit that business within a day. As a result, new techniques are being adopted for advertisements and marketing. These are delivered to the consumers through social media platforms, thus making social media a powerful channel. Now, 3.48 billion people, that is 45% of people on planet, use social media. That includes you and me. So, social media is the powerful tool which, if used rightly, has the potential to bring in change and impact a person's life to a great extent. To know more about what is social media, how can a person use it effectively, what are the famous social media platforms and its features, how can a startup or MSME extract the true potential of it? To know more, stay tuned. If you feel like this video has earned your subscription, please consider subscribing to Rewired and maybe hit the bell icon. I am Vallabh. Thanks for watching.